Avoid having your ego so close to your position that when your position falls, your ego goes with it. Ignorant men raise questions that wise men answered 1,000 years ago. The truest wisdom is the resolute determination. I don't want to put a pass on the rest of my life. I am really enjoying getting older and the wisdom that comes from that. The higher we are placed, the more humbly we should walk. It has long been an axiom of mine that the little things are infinitely the most important. Life is a traveling to the edge of knowledge, then a lap taken. In wisdom gathered over time, I have found that every experience is a form of exploration. Wise man makes more opportunities than they find. Honesty is the best policy.